Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to explain that how you can create a simple thumbnail for any digital marketing niche. For example, on your screen you can see here that I have created one thumbnail. So here I will tell you that how you can create within no time. So let's start today's video.
Attention please. Before formally starting this video, in the next few seconds, you will know that my name is Imran and this channel is the right place for you to learn about digital marketing and earning online as an entrepreneur to grow and accelerate fast. If you are new here, make sure you click that subscribe button and hit bell icon to access all videos, updates and links in the description box below. Now back to the video.
Okay, before starting any creation of thumbnail, I will highly recommend to decide few things. For that purpose, usually I make one PowerPoint file. For example, my video topic is creative Instagram affiliate marketing method to make money online. So this is my video topic. Now I will decide what I will include in the title, because if you will write all this means if you will write this same heading in the thumbnail, then your thumbnail will not attract people, because in thumbnail you should not write too much. You should attract people by pictures and by symbolic elements. So you should just give the impression that what type of content you are giving in this video. So here I usually select 2 or 3 words or maximum one phrase, not more than that. So here my heading is a creative Instagram affiliate marketing method to make money online. So here I should tell people that this content is about Instagram and it is about affiliate marketing too. So I am selecting here 2 words, affiliate marketing. So in the thumbnail title, I will just write affiliate marketing. I can also convert it into the capital letters. So I am using here shift and F3. So it will convert into the capital letters like this. Okay. So after that, I have to decide, I include my picture? Yes, I will include my picture. Okay, text font, any text font I can use, but I will prefer large text font. So I will see that which font will help me to express my thumbnail. So will I use elements? Yes. Okay. Now I have a basic idea that what I am going to create. So first of all, this thumbnail is about affiliate marketing, and I'm including picture, text font. I can use anyone, but I will prefer bigger fonts, and elements I will include. Okay, now start practically on Canva. To create thumbnails, I usually use Canva. So I will try to make similar thumbnail, although I will make a few changes because I believe in creativity and I like to create new things whenever I recreate. Okay, so I'm starting from the scratch. So when you will click on Canva, Canva is a free digital marketing tool where you can make many posts, where you can create your intros, outros, you can create your thumbnails and many more things. Okay, right now I am focusing on a thumbnail, so I will create a design. Once I will create here, so here I should write thumbnail, because I usually make thumbnails, so that's why by default it's showing, but you can type here. So it is giving me the option thumbnail, but you can see that automatically it is picking the dimension, which is 1280 720. So I do not need to be worried about the dimension and size of the thumbnail. So I am clicking here. Now you can see here that a blank canvas appeared and there is nothing here, and on my left hand side there are many options available. So first of all I should choose any background. For example, I have many backgrounds here, like wooden background, colorful background, but as I told you that I had decided initially that I will make thumbnail about affiliate marketing, and it is about Instagram. In the title I am not using Instagram, so I will represent this by some picture which will be my background as well. So I am going here and I am going to photos, and I am searching for Insta. Okay, once I searched, I found this logo, so I am double clicking it and it appeared here. So now I will single click and I will right click one time, and if you see here it is giving option. 1 minute, I am doing it again so you can easily understand. I'm making it bigger. Okay, now you can see here that there is a option. I think it's again going outside the screen. I'm making it further bigger. Now it's clear. Okay, set image as background. So I will click here. So now you can see here that this image become our background. Now what I will do, I will insert my picture. Okay, I'm clicking here on upload, and in the image section I have already uploaded my picture. Some pictures are with background and some pictures are without background, like this. So how to remove background and how to upload pictures, I will create another video. Right now I am not focusing on that topic. So here I will select any of my picture. For example, I am randomly selecting anyone. For example, I am selecting this one. Okay, now because I selected 2 times, so it appeared 2 times, so I will delete it. Okay, now I will adjust it according to my need. Usually I place pictures on the right hand side because usually here timestamp come, so do not put any text here. So now I selected background, my picture is also present here. Now I will insert some text. Okay, so for inserting text I will choose a heading, although I have many fancy fonts as well, but as I told you that I will prefer some bold and bigger fonts. So I am selecting here add a heading, and I will place this here and I will rotate it a little bit and I will make it angular. So what is my heading? My heading is affiliate marketing. So here I can use this and I can put here affiliate marketing. Okay, here I want to show you that when I created last time I used these boxes. You can also use these boxes. From where you can use these boxes, you can just go to the elements and then you can go to the shapes and you can use this rectangular boxes and you can put text here. But right now I changed my mind. I don't want any box like I used last time. So right now I'm using this heading, and now I will drag it and I will make it according to my need. For example, I am selecting it again. Okay, sometime it happened that when 2 pictures overlap each other or 2 elements overlap each other, then you face difficulty in using it. For that purpose, you can bring that element in front. For example, it is saying send to backward, and here it is also sending a move forward. So if I want to work here on picture, I will bring it forward, and if I want to work on this text, I will bring this text in front. Okay, and now I am selecting it. There are many options available. Usually I use Open Sans Extra Bold. It is free, although London font is also my favorite, and it is not free, so it is available for premium services of Canva. So if I will click here, now you can see here that this is much bigger and much bolder font. Okay, now I am adjusting it, and also I am selecting it. Okay, now it is present here. If I want to move this, simply I will select it and I will put here. For example, because my hand is here, so I can put here. Okay, now you can see here that now I am using a slightly different approach, so it is slightly different from the previous thumbnail. Okay, right now I will insert some element. For example, same element I can use. Same element I will write here money, because it is about affiliate marketing. So we can tell here that I am explaining about affiliate marketing, and by affiliate marketing you can earn money. Okay, just I am writing money here, it's enough. So you can find this symbol here. It is a pro symbol, pro element, but if you want to use some free element, they are also available. There are many elements available here. For example, this is free one, you can use. This is pro, this is pro, this is free one. So it is up to you that how you will choose. Okay, now I am putting here. So now it's up to you that how you use. There is nothing wrong or correct. For example, you can use this approach that you put this element here and you write this heading here. Another way is that you just move this heading here and you put this money symbol here and bring this picture forward. Now look that you are pointing towards the money, and you can put your heading here and you can make it further bigger. Okay, also they are giving you the option to change the color of the heading. For example, if I am not satisfied, then I can click here and I can choose any other color. For example, this color, violet color. Now let's see how it's looking. Yeah, it's looking like this. Okay, another thing is that usually in my thumbnails I use this phrase English content, but it is not necessary. If you do not want to include, it's up to you. I included because I want to tell the viewers that this content is English, because I do not want that someone who do not understand English, he just click and after watching few seconds he just fly away. So in this way my watch time will be affected. So you can see here that this is a very simple and very effective thumbnail, and here by looking at this thumbnail you can easily understand that it is about Instagram and it is about affiliate marketing, and definitely this picture is showing that you will earn money by affiliate marketing. Okay, if you want to fill this area as well, usually I fill with the symbol English content, but if you do not want to enter this phrase here English content, you can put any other picture. For example, I am putting here this picture. This is also free, so you can put this picture and you can make it slightly bigger as well. Now look here. Yeah, so it is showing your progress and a dollar symbol. So now look here that it's looking very awesome, although it does not take so much time. because I was explaining this tutorial first time I was explaining about Canva. That's why I took around 15 minutes, but once you will start working on Canva, it will not take so much time. Okay, hopefully you understood this tutorial. If you like this type of tutorial, then I will create many more. So please stay with me and please subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
If you found this video useful, then good news is that you can check links of some more valuable videos in the description section, and many more videos are in the pipeline. Hopefully you will remain connected with me, and for that purpose subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. I am also waiting for your feedback in the comment section. Have a nice time.